Tell me why.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're hearing my voice for the first time, you're highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I love you all. In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about a very soft nude eyeshadow look that can pass for a bride, that can pass for, just having something soft on the eyes. But before that, let us talk about how to conceal under your eyes rightly, guys. So we're already on under the eyes already. If you've not watched the skin prep of this particular video, of this particular look, it's on my channel already. The skin prep and choosing the right foundation match for this particular model is already on my channel. So just go there and watch it so that you can be able to meet up with what we are doing now. Because seeing this foundation match, you'll be like, how did she get this foundation match? It's so beautiful. Just pause and go watch it right away. Then come back and follow up with us. Do you understand? So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. So now, choosing the right concealer for under the eyes, you're just going to make sure that you choose. Most of the times these days, you do not want to do this overly 2 shade lighter concealer, so you can just do 1 shade lighter or 1.5 shade lighter. But basically these days I do 1 shade lighter. But for this kind of look that I want to achieve something very soft and calm, I am doing 1 shade lighter. But if you want to achieve something very bright, you want the under eyes to be overly bright and all that, you can do 1.5 or 2 shade lighter. It's all for you and what you want to achieve. So when I was done applying that particular concealer, I used the Bond This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. That's what I used on her. When it comes to blending the concealer, I blended every other part of the face first. Like I blended the T-zone, that's the bridge of her nose, her forehead. I blended her chin, and I blended the other side of the concealer. Do you understand? While I was done with that, I allowed the inner part to remain there. I didn't blend it. After allowing that to remain there, what I'm doing right now is I am contouring her nose. Do you understand? I'm contouring her nose. So when I'm done contouring her nose, I'm going to blend both the contoured nose and the inner part of the eyes. I'm going to blend everything together to give it that seamless and flawless look. At this end, you will not see any harsh line of the contour. Do you get? You will not see any harsh line. Everything is just going to go in seamlessly. That is one thing you should understand when you want to achieve a very, very flawless under eye concealer. Do you understand? So guys, I come bearing you guys a very special good news, a beautiful news, a lovely news. I can't wait. I have been cooking this for the longest time, and I can't wait to spill out everything to you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am super excited. But before I told you why I am excited, let's go back to this look right away. So what I'm basically doing is just setting under the eyes. You understand? When you're done with setting under the eyes with setting powder, go over there again and set it with a powder shade very similar to the shade of the powder of the setting powder you used. Do you understand? Then when you're done with the under eye setting, you will set all over the face. I have this mission in this industry to make sure that all makeup artists get to understand what it means to do makeup rightly. You get to understand the step-by-step you need to do. Because when it comes to makeup, it comes with its own technicality. It comes with its own do's and don'ts. There are some things you just cannot do while you're applying makeup so that you achieve a flawless finish. There are some things you have to do so that you achieve a flawless finish. And that is why I have decided to organize an online makeup class. Ganga! I'm super excited because I have been cooking this for the very longest time, and I'm so happy that I'm going to be sharing with you guys my wealth of knowledge. Like, when I mean I have a lot in stock, because I go for upgrade classes, I learn more, I have been practicing more, so I can tell you guys for free that this particular class is going to be nothing short of mind-blowing things that you will be so happy you did attend the class. Do you understand? It's going to be an online class. That means it is open for everybody in the world. Wherever you are in this world, you can join the class. Do you understand? You can join the class. It's going to be a 3 days class where we're going to be doing a light skin model for the first day, then a dark skin model for the second day, question and answer and lightning setup for the third day. Do you understand? So in this, with this, you have like 1 week to practice and send me your look in that particular group we are. So I'm going to vet your look. I'm going to correct your look. I want you to get it right. Do you understand? That is my mission. I want you to get it right. Do you get? So this particular class, I'm going to be spilling everything. It's going to be a real class where I am talking right to the model, and you are hearing me talking right to the model. It's not going to be it's a pre-recorded class actually, but it's not going to be like a class, a video when you have a voiceover over it. It's going to be right there. The voiceover is going to be right there. You're going to be seeing everything that you are doing. You understand? So you don't have to miss this class. You cannot even miss this class at all. All you guys, you're beginners, you just struggle with some part of the eyes, you're struggling with some part of the lip, you want to get it right, you're supposed to attend this class. Let me just tell you, you are supposed to attend this class. Do you understand? So all the informations is going to be in my next video, being on Wednesday by 5 p.m. So do not again forget to watch that video so that you hear all the necessary informations you're going to be needing. Back to the look, back to what we are doing. Remember, we are achieving a very soft eyes that can pass for a brighter eyes. In fact, a brighter eyes for real. Do you understand? A brighter eyeshadow eyes for real. So when it comes to building in your transition colors, you want to start from the lightest shade of browns to the darkest shade of browns. Do you understand? You want to really start from the lightest shade, like very, very light shade of browns, to the what? To the very, very dark shades of browns. It depends on the skin tone you are working with. It depends on what exactly you are doing. But just understand this. Just put this at the back of your mind that whenever I am working on an eyeshadow look, whether you are doing a matte eyes or you are doing a pigmented eyes, you still have to go through your transition colors. So you want to make sure you achieve it in such a way that it will be easier for you to comprehend. Do you get? So you start up with the lightest shade of brown. And what is your lightest shade of brown? Your lightest shade of brown is the particular shade of brown that you use to contour the nose. So start with that particular brown so that it marries the nose contour, and there is no there is no what's the word again, like a bridge. There is no hash line, because it is the same brown that you use for the contour that you are still using for the transition. So it just moves flawlessly. It just transitioned, you understand, flawlessly. So when you are done with that, so you go after that particular shade of brown, you go with something darker, you go with something darker, you keep building and blending, keep building and blending until you achieve your desired result. Do you understand? Yeah. So when I was done with that, I went with the Happy Bride palette from Annie's Beauty, and I picked this particular nude shade and I applied it on her eyelid. When I was done applying that on her eyelid, now I don't want that harsh line. I needed to blend so that everything will go in well. I have two brushes there, as you can see. One of the brushes is the one that carries the brown, and the other brushes is the one that carries the nude color. So when I go in with the brown, I go in with the nude. I go in with the brown, I go in with the nude, just to make sure that the both sides are properly blended. Do you understand? So one other thing again I'm going to be teaching you in this my online class is that it is not only Bennye eyeshadow base that you can use for your eyeshadow base. Do you understand? Register for this particular class. Just register. You are going to be seeing so much things that you'll be like, why have I not known this all this while? Do you get? Just keep your mind, keep your finger crossed, and get your plans ready to register for this class, because it's something that you do not want to miss for anything at all. So when I was done with that, I went over to smudge under the eyes of this particular model and see how beautiful it is. Why the eyes was smudged, it creates this blend on the eyes, and I love it so much. So now I'm using the black gel liner from Tehila. Do you understand? So, and it's so black, so I'm using that to give it my wing liner. So I was creating a very dark wing liner. See what I'm doing? I'm creating a very, very dark wing liner. And when I was done with this, I lined her waterline. I lined her waterline. So this is a particular gel liner I use to line waterlines. Then you also want to line the, what's it called again, the top of the eye with the other waterline. The shy is two waterlines. So you just want to line that, and you be very, very careful about that. If you line that upper part of the eyes very well, as you saw me doing, it creates this blend for the lash, for the extension lashes when it comes in. Do you understand? Then when I was done with that, I used this powder, a shade of powder, to just carve that, to clean that particular outer part of her eyes very well, so that it's looking so neat. Using my liquid liner from Beautyline by Didi to do what? To line her eyes. Do you understand? To line her eyes, and it came out so beautiful. So I use liquid liner to line, while I use gel liner for the waterline. You can also use black pencil for the waterline. Whatever that works for you, it's totally fine. So I'm using this particular mascara to dust off the excess fallout from the lashes. Dust out the excess fallout from the lashes, just to make sure the lashes is clean. If your lashes is clean, that's the natural lashes is clean, when you put in the false lashes, it comes out very beautiful and flawless. Trust me, guys, it comes out very beautiful and flawless. When I was done with that, I went straight to this mascara just to bring out the under eye lashes down. It's always beautiful on anyone. Do you understand? It's always beautiful on anyone. So just bring that down, and it came out so nice. And I did that for the other side of her eyes as well. Do you understand? I did that for the other side of her eyes, and it's so lovely, guys. It's so lovely. See the way this look is already. Just see how it is. Just see how it is. Everything came out so beautiful. And for the brows, I'm using this particular what's it called? I'm using this particular pencil from Beautyline by Didi. It's called Browgasm. So I'm using it for her brows. I have a brow tutorial on my channel, so you can always refer to that anytime, any day, and understand everything that you need to know about the brows. Do you understand, guys? So another thing again that you do for me, please and please, if you've watched this video to this particular point, you are my love, and I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video, because this video is resourceful. It's so good. Seriously, I will tell you that for free. It's so good. Don't forget to share it so that any other makeup artist out there who is finding something difficult can always refer to this video, can always watch this video. So share this video, please. As you're done watching, just click on the share button, share to your WhatsApp status, share to your Insta stories. Do you understand? Share this video, please, my loves. Share this video. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you have any question? Do you feel there's something that you needed to see very well? Do you feel that there's something that you needed to hear very well? Please drop your thoughts in the comment section. Ask your questions in the comment section. You know me now. I'm always there. I'm always there to respond to all your questions and to all your comments. Do you understand? Please don't forget to like. Don't forget to like. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, because this channel is packed with so much that you cannot even think of missing at all. Every week I've decided to be this consistent, guys, just for you all. Every week I'm going to be posting Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. I am super happy because I'm going to be posting different times. So Wednesdays I'm going to be posting by 5 p.m. Fridays I'm going to be posting by 8 p.m. and Sundays I'm going to be posting by 3 p.m. I just want to try something out so that I am always in your front. I'm always bringing out the content at that exact moment when you are willing and you are available to watch it. Do you understand? Anything for you guys. Trust me, anything for you guys. And I'm sure you have been seeing what I've been doing on this beautiful model, guys. So, exactly. This lip tutorial, if you've not watched it in my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Trust me, I really don't know what you're waiting for, because this lip tutorial is so simple and straight to the point. Trust me, the video is just right before this one. Just watch it and see how we achieve this beautiful lippy. Then when I was done with the light powder under the eyes, I decided to set everything with this fix spray from Sylvimak and use my fan to dry it down. See how beautiful it is already. See how magnificent. Tell me that this is not your bride. Tell me that you cannot just walk into the altar and get married to your groom like this. Like this. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand? She's so beautiful. She's so lovely. Everything came out perfect. Everything came out the word perfect. From the foundation shade to the subtle blush to the nude eyes to the nude lip. Everything came out perfect. So please, what are you waiting for? Like this video. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, please. And share this video as well. Do not forget to share, because you guys are always fond of doing this. After watching, you will not share. You don't want your brothers and sisters to see this video or what? Please, let them see. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.